How you can fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So in order to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now, you can follow the simple steps. First of all, open up a browser and go ahead and log in into your ChatGPT account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So basically what you can do is, first thing, you can try upgrading your ChatGPT. So you could go ahead and get a premium subscription and that should be able to fix the issue. However, if that's not the case, then you could also go ahead and fix your background interface, or you can also clear cache as well as data. Right on this page, you could go ahead and if you have multiple tab open up, you could also delete it. They should be able to fix it, or else the only simple way to do it is to delete or clear cache as well as storage. So you could go to the settings and then you can go ahead and clear cache as well as data. So these were some of the ways to fix your ChatGPT is at capacity right now. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.